Good morning, students. Today, I prepare a video lecture of operating system. The unit name is Operating System Concept, and the topic name is Introduction of OS. There are the main objectives which we covered. What is operating system? Different component of operating system, and third is a OS from user and system point of view. First, introduction of operating system. What is the definition of OS? OS is a program or software which manage the computer hardware and provide the simple interface between hardware and the user. What are the goal of operating system? There are two main goals of operating system. First, convenience for users. So it is more convenience, and second, efficient operation of the computer system. Component of operating system. There are main four components of operating system. From bottom to up: hardware, then operating system, then application program and user, and from up to bottom: user, application, operating system and hardware. First, hardware. Hardware is the lowest level of the OS component. It contains various kind of physical devices like processor, memory, keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, etc. So all hardware comes in bottom level, which is known as hardware. Second one is the operating system. OS is the next level. It provides the simple interface between application program and hardware, and it also manages all the connected hardware. It also hides the complex details of hardware from the users. Third is the application program. The application program perform particular tasks. They are different kinds of functionalities provided by operating system. For example, railway reservation system, banking system, web browser, etc. So all the applications which we install in computer or any other device are known as application program. And last is users. The users comes at the top level. Users interact with the system by using application programs to perform particular tasks. So user can work with computer system by using application program or by using software or operating system. Another most IMP topic is user view versus system view. According to operating system from user view, it is very important. Let us discuss. First, it is top-down view. From the user view, OS can be considered as an extended machine. OS hides all the details of the hardware. It also provides interface between user and hardware. And the primary goal of OS is the user convenience. Then operating system from system view. It is bottom up view. In this, OS can be considered as a resource manager. OS manages all the hardware like CPU, memory, processor, etc. The resources are shared by multiplexing them in time or in space, and the primary goal of OS is the efficiency. So in this video we can cover the definition of operating system, goal of operating system, component of operating system, and OS from the user point of view and system point of view. Thank you for showing this video. Thank you.